welcome back to Dan's Hangout Garage. We are not in the shop today. We are at Elmer Thomas Park for the Freedom Festival 2019. Behind me, they are going to have a fireworks show here in about an hour. So we are just tailgating right now. Back there, they also have concession stands. There's a whole bunch of other things. But we are just going to sit back here, wait for the fireworks, and chill. It's supposed to be at 9:30, setting off some fireworks, choreographed to some music. So we are going to turn our music on and listen to it. So if I get copyright infringements, oh well, because this is Independence Day. I will be uploading this this will be July 4th when I upload this, but this happened a week before because July 4th is on a Thursday. Even that's an upload date, so that's pretty cool. So if I get copyright infringements for this, I don't care because it's Independence Day, stands for our freedom, and for all the people that have served for our country to make this day happen, I greatly appreciate y'all. Well, sorry, I'm breaking in a little bit because I'm in the office working on the video for the July 4th Freedom Festival. Well, we had some more hardware issue. I pushed record, but the camera decided to only record 1 minute and 37 seconds. When I tried to transfer the data over to the computer, it wouldn't even play it. Been having a lot of problems with this GoPro 7 Silver. I'm going to have to call tech support again to find out why it keeps doing this. I even tried swapping memory cards to the one they said is preferred. But I'm going to go ahead and show you a few pictures of the Freedom Festival that we got and have no video of the fireworks, which is really sad, and I apologize for it. Because our independence is a good celebration for the men and women that have served our country and the people that have lost their lives for our independence. And I greatly appreciate everybody that has served and protect us. So here's some pictures of our Independence Day celebration. Hopefully enjoy it.
Today is gonna be a little something more. I've got a plan in mind, a special thing in store. The light bulb inside my head says, get out and play, 'cause you never feel this way. It's my lucky day, it's my lucky day. It's my lucky day, my lucky day. Don't need a pot of gold or rabbits.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the pictures and a little bit of music I put together of our Independence Day. This video, yes, it is July 4th right now. Of course, we had our Independence celebration a week early due to, Independence Day falling on a Thursday this year. So remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, and I I apologize that I didn't get no video of the fireworks. But y'all have a great day, and I hope to see y'all every Thursday.